Yeah, we're doing sound test. Here it goes. Yeah, output from the amplifier. I'm testing the output because there's no radio sound coming after I install this car communication computer. Everything has been programmed and coded, and the only exception here is the user interface for voice control, where this button here responsible for the speech pattern, learning the speech, recording the speech pattern of the driver. This can be used for, Bluetooth navigation, radio, and whatever presets and so on. This has been, I'm doing an output from the amplifier. It tone the speakers at the front, the mids, and it now hear the boom sound from the subwoofer. Yeah, so I just using this to record. I'm gonna run another test on it.
How you service?
Eh?
How you service?
It's gonna tell me here that it said a sound was emitted from all speakers. The sound was emitted from at least one speaker, no sound. Alright, let me go back and try again.
Can you just stop me?
Activating the full speaker with a test sound. Min range, sounding right. Let me see. It said mid range sounding right, so that's supposed to come on.
You want me to drop the car home here?
No, I want to go back. The test is run already.
When it's done, I'll drop it over. I can drive it, and then probably get then you'll have to wait and you get saying that kind of stuff. So when he shows up, we have to right away. Listen, don't make it a fucking problem. I offer to do it. Shut the fuck up. Just
End the sound output test now. Automatically pay out or after that.
You have a wonderful day. Bye.
I'm gonna do it, and I said I'm choosing the one from the selection. I said automatically activate all speakers. Fucking light interference on the camera. Choosing that one, I have to click that one, blue, green I should say. I'm going next here. The left should come. Here it goes. Second tone, this is it. Speakers testing. That one here at the back making this noise. This one right here. The subwoofers at the back. Turning on. Oh, come the radio foot now, come on. Mid-range sound. It's gonna do left, right. Mid-range speaker. The front left. Activate front left speaker now. The tone.